Hello guys, welcome to the video today, and we are talking about how to start an online business for under $20. Have you ever wanted to start an online business, but every time you try, you hit a wall? Costs, complicated setup, or too many tools? Today, I'll show you how to start an online business with less than $20. You don't need to be a tech expert, you don't need crazy capital, and you don't even need a big audience. You just need one simple digital foundation that 99% of people overlook. Step 1. Pick a problem you can solve. Ask yourself one powerful question. What problem can I solve that people already paying for? Because money doesn't follow ideas, it follows solution. Maybe someone out there needs a fresh social media post to make their page look alive. Another person just wants a simple, clean logo so their brand can finally feel real. Someone else is stuck with a messy CV that's holding them back from opportunities. Maybe a beginner shop owner might be struggling to set up their online space and needs a guiding hand. And somewhere, a parent is looking for a quick, beautiful birthday poster they can print before the party starts. These are small problems, but they carry big value. Pick just one, own it, and deliver it with confidence. When you solve a real problem, even the tiniest one, people pay quickly and happily. The second step is package your skill into a simple offer. Once you've chosen the problem you want to solve, the next move is to shape it into a clear, irresistible offer. Not a paragraph, not a page, just a simple promise with a definite outcome. Something like, I'll make you 10 professional social media posts in 24 hours, or even, I'll design a clean, polished logo in just 30 minutes. Because here's the truth most beginners miss. People don't pay for your time. They pay for clarity. They want to know exactly what they'll get, how fast they'll get it, and how it solves their problem. So keep your offer simple, keep it fast, keep it predictable. When your promise is crisp and easy to understand, clients choose you without hesitation. The third step is create an online presence. Here's where most people sleep without even realizing it. They try to run a business through endless WhatsApp chats and DMs, but buyers don't trust chaos, they trust structure. People naturally gravitate towards businesses that look organized, searchable, and professional. And the simplest way to create that level of trust is with a simple website. Your digital home where everything about you lives clearly and cleanly in one spot. A space that shows who you are, what you offer, a few samples of your work, and a clear call to action that tells the customer exactly what to do next. You don't need complicated system or huge budget to make this happen. With Truehost Web Hosting Starter Package, you can have a simple professional website that goes for $1.50 a month and instantly look less like a hobby and more like a real business. Once your website is ready, share it in relevant Facebook groups, add it on your WhatsApp bio, DM 50 potential clients with a friendly, value-fast message, and lastly, post your offer on TikTok or Instagram Reels. Your website acts like your 24/7 salesperson. Instead of explaining yourself 100 times, you just send your link and let it do the talking. This alone puts you ahead of thousands of beginners. Step 5. Automate and scale. After you get your first customers, add testimonials to your website, create simple packages, basic, standard, and premium, set up a simple booking form, and start collecting payment online. Once your business has a proper online identity, doors open and people trust you even more. Brands reach out, you get bigger projects. Everything starts from that one digital foundation. This is how you build something real, reputable, and profitable without a crazy capital. So that's how you start your business online. Pick a problem, create an offer, build your digital home, drive traffic, and scale. Thank you for watching this video until this point. I hope this information is helpful to you and you should go and launch that business that you actually been thinking about.